Hello, how are you? Good morning, friends. Dear students, I know that you enjoy learning languages. Now, today we have to do a lot of things. I hope that you enjoy studying. Now, we have to go for learning a new lesson. So, dear friends, today we have to move forward and we have to go for Unit 5 Activity 2, in which we have to once again look at a dialogue, and there is a dialogue within the dialogue, and two friends will talk about many things. So, open your textbook and go to page number 54. Let us read. Dhanush and Raghav are best friends. They are studying in class 8 like you. I know that you are in standard 8. You can see the pictures of Dhanush and Raghav on the screen. Let us read further. Today is Sunday and both are on the playground. Friends, you can watch it on the screen. Two friends, Dhanush and Raghav, are playing on the playground. Let us move further. Dhanush says, Raghav, I am hungry. Let's go to my uncle's home. It's just next to this street, said Dhanush. Now see, Dhanush is making a proposal to Raghav because after playing they both are hungry. They want to go to Dhanush's uncle's house. Let's move further. Yeah, I know. Even I remember the taste of your uncle's dish. This is said by Raghav. Raghav has already visited Dhanush's uncle's house earlier and he has enjoyed dishes prepared by his uncle. So, he is also hungry. He also wants to join Dhanush. Let's read further. Really, Dhanush? He is a very good cook, Raghav replied. Friends, Raghav is also saying further that Dhanush's uncle prepares food very nicely. He is a really good cook. So, he also wants to eat dishes prepared by his uncle. So, now both decided to go to Dhanush's uncle's house. Dear friends, let us move further. They went on their way to Dhanush's uncle's home. They went past a tea stall. Now, in this picture, you can see Dhanush and Raghav on the way to Dhanush's uncle's house, and there is a picture of a tea stall. વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો, રાઘવ અને ધનુષ એક ટી સ્ટોલ પાસેથી પસાર થયા. On the screen you can see the sentence, they went past a tea stall. પાસેથી પસાર થવું એના માટે અંગ્રેજીમાં past શબ્દનો ઉપયોગ થાય છે. હું ગઈકાલે એક મંદિર પાસેથી પસાર થયો. અંગ્રેજીમાં મારું વાક્ય બનશે I went past a temple. તમે કદી કોઈ એક ખેતર પાસેથી પસાર થયા છો? તો મારો પ્રશ્ન હશે, did you go past a farm? I know that you understand the use of the word past. You can make your own sentences using the word past. When Dhanush and Raghav went past a tea stall, something was happening. They noticed it. Let's know what was that. Radio Bhindi was on. Save money with our bank and secure your future. Such was an announcement on Radio Bhindi. Dear friends, Raghav and Dhanush listened to this announcement on Radio Bhindi and they had an idea in their mind. Now, what was the idea? For that, let us move further. Raghav, I want to open an account in a bank, said Dhanush. Why? Raghav asked. Now on the screen you know that Dhanush wanted to open an account in a bank. Do you have a bank account? And there was a question by Raghav. Why does Dhanush want to open an account with a bank? Do you want to know the reason? Yes. Let's read further. Because I have saved some pocket money. I want to deposit it. Now this is the reason why Dhanush wanted to open his bank account. Do you save pocket money? Please make it your habit, right? Save some money for future. You must have a piggy bank in which you can save some money. It's a good habit. Now Dhanush has a reason to open an account. Now what would be Raghav's reply? Let's learn it next. It's a good idea. I also want an account to be opened. We will go together, Raghav said. Raghav is also very happy. He appreciated that it is a good idea. Now after Dhanush's desire, Raghav also has a desire to open an account with the bank. So he is also ready for that. What happens next? Let's learn. Do you know the address of the bank? Asked Raghav. No. But my father has an account with the bank, he added. Now there is a question in Raghav's mind, and that question is, if Dhanush knows the address of the bank, they can go there directly, but they don't have any address with them. But Dhanush's father has an account with the bank, and Dhanush knows that his father will help them open an account with the bank. Dhanush further said something. Let's know what is it. It is a nationalized bank. Nationalized means Rashtriyakrut Bank. Let's move further. Fine. Then when shall we go there? Raghav asked. We shall go there on next Tuesday, Dhanush replied. Here on the screen you can see that Dhanush and Raghav, they make their plan. They are determined to open an account with the bank, and they decided to go to the bank on next Tuesday. You remember, today is Sunday in this chapter, and after 2 days they have a plan to visit the bank, and they will go to the bank on next Tuesday. Let's move further. But who will help us in opening an account? Raghav asked. My uncle will come with us, Dhanush said. They enter the house. Uncle Manubhai was reading the newspaper. Now both the boys are now in uncle's house. Uncle is busy in reading the newspaper. Let's read further. Hello uncle, we want an account to be opened with a bank. We need your help, Dhanush replied. Now see, the uncle will surely help them. Let's read further. Sure, I will help you. I will also come with you to the bank, said Manubhai. This is the reason why Dhanush was sure, because Manubhai, Dhanush's uncle, is a very caring person. So this was expected by both the boys. Now they are very happy. Let's read further. After some time, Raghav switched on the television. There was an announcement on the screen. Now on the screen you can see the screen of television, which has an announcement. Can you read it? Yes, It reads, donate O plus blood immediately. Contact 038 38 38 9555. Dear friends, there is an announcement regarding blood donation. Blood donation is a great donation. So, this is an announcement on television. Earlier in the same passage, there was an announcement on radio. It was Radio Bhindi, and that announcement was about opening your bank account to save money. You can see the picture of a girl who gives blood. She is donating blood to save someone's life. After watching an announcement on television, what was the reaction of Dhanush? What did he say? Let's learn. What is O positive uncle? Dhanush asked. It is a name of a blood group, said Manubhai. Why do they need blood? Uncle asked Dhanush. Perhaps someone needs it. There may be a surgery, said Manubhai. Now Dhanush had a question in his mind. What is the reason that someone needs it? The answer is that someone definitely needs it. There may be a surgery or there may be some other reason. So this is the answer given by Manubhai. Let's read further. But uncle, why don't you help them? Raghav asked. No, I cannot, because my blood group is B positive, uncle replied. Uncle, now this is the time for our cartoon show. Raghav and I never miss it. Can we watch it? Said Dhanush. Of course. In the meanwhile, I will prepare some snacks for both of you. Uncle, you are such a caring person, Raghav said. Now dear friends, this shows that uncle is really a caring person, because Raghav and Dhanush did not ask for snacks, but the uncle knows that these children want some food, they require some food, they require some snacks. So he is ready for preparing some snacks for both of them. Let's move further. Both the boys watched the cartoon show. In the picture, you can see the cartoon show, and both are watching that cartoon show. In the picture, the show ended and Manubhai came with the snacks. So this is the end of the passage which we have read today. Dear friends, we have learnt the passage nicely. Now there will be some questions from the passage. You have to read the question, find out the answer from the text. Let's have the first question. In which class do Dhanush and Raghav study? The answer is Dhanush and Raghav study in class 8. Let's have second question. Where did Dhanush and Raghav go? Now see the answer. Dhanush and Raghav went to Dhanush's uncle's home. Let's have the next question. What was the announcement on Radio Bhindi? Save money with our bank and secure your future. This was the announcement on Radio Bhindi. Let's have the next question. Who wanted to open an account in the bank? Both Dhanush and Raghav wanted to open an account in the bank. Dear friends, you have correct answers. Let's move further. The next question. When will Dhanush and Raghav go to the bank? Dhanush and Raghav will go to the bank on Tuesday. Dear friends, let's have the next question. What was the announcement on the television? Donate O positive blood, immediately contact 038 38 38 9555. Let's have the next question. What is O positive? It is the name of a blood group. Dear friends, we have read the passage, we have understood the words, details with the help of pictures. We had many questions and you all answered well, very well. I hope that we have understood each and every details nicely. We have to discuss the remaining part of the passage along with the exercises. So, we will be able to understand entire passage nicely. So, let us read the passage from the textbook. Dear friends, open your textbook. We are going to read the text, unit number 5, activity 2A, page number 55. I am going to read the passage from this line. Both the boys watched the cartoon show. The show ended and Manubhai came with the snacks. Did you enjoy the cartoon show? Uncle asked. Yes, we did. Here are your snacks. Have them and tell me how they are. Delicious as always, both said after tasting the snacks. Thank you, my children. Enjoy the snacks. I read the newspaper. Manubhai reads the newspaper. Hey boys, here is some interesting news for you, said Manubhai. What is it? Dhanush asked. Read it yourself, replied Manubhai. Both read an advertisement. This is the advertisement which Dhanush and Raghav read in the newspaper. Young World, on the spot painting competition, magic of hands for 6 to 8 standard. Come, paint your own colorful world. Date 16th March, Zone South, Place Surat, Saraswati Vidyalaya. 22nd March, North Zone, Patan, Sarvodaya Vidyalaya. 29th March, Middle Zone, Ahmedabad, Smriti Vidyalaya. 4th April, West Zone, Rajkot, Madhurya Vidyalaya. Time 10 am to 1 pm. Theme: Save environment, save water. Attractive prizes to be won. First prize, 1 week animation workshop with the artist Kanak Patel. Second prize, 3-week workshop with the artist Aarti Narayan. Third prize, 1-day trekking camp. 100 consolation prizes, an easel with 5 brushes. A 3D certificate for all. For entry form, log on to www.youngworld.org. Come, color your imagination. Wow, this is an attractive event. Dhanush, will you participate? Raghav asked. Sure. What about you? Dhanush said. I shall also participate, Raghav said. Dear friends, we have read the entire passage. Now, the remaining part of the passage was not very difficult, you understand, I suppose, and I know that you have understood it well because it was a simple dialogue. So, we need not to have pictures to understand each and every word. Till now, during these 2 episodes, we have completed Unit 5 Activity 2 and we have done Activity 2A. Now, based on this passage, we have to do exercise which is 2B. So, let us open the textbook and we have to go to page number 57, activity 2B. B. Say whether the following statements are true or false. અહીં 5 સ્ટેટમેન્ટ્સ આપેલા છે, એ ટ્રુ છે કે ફોલ્સ છે એ આપણે નક્કી કરવાનું છે. પણ એના માટે આપણે ક્રમશઃ એ સ્ટેટમેન્ટ્સ વાંચીશું અને એમને એમ નક્કી કરવાનું નથી. વી હેવ ટુ રીડ ધ પેસેજ. આપણે પેસેજ વાંચીશું અને એ જે તે સ્ટેટમેન્ટ ટ્રુ છે કે ફોલ્સ એ આપણે નક્કી કરીશું. લેટ્સ હેવ ધ ફર્સ્ટ સ્ટેટમેન્ટ. મનુભાઈ is Raghav's uncle. I write the answer in my textbook. You also write the answer in your textbook. Manubhai is Raghav's uncle. The statement is false. Have you written? Now just look at the second statement. Dhanush wants an account to be opened with the bank because his father told him. Yes. મળી ગયો ને જવાબ. Statement 2 is false. Friends, statement 3. Dhanush's uncle will help them to open an account. Yes, you are right. The statement is true. Have you written your answer? Good. Now let's have sentence number 4. The competition is about singing. Let's write the answer in the textbook. Statement number 5. The competition is organized by Young World. So the statement is true. Yes, you are absolutely correct. Dear friends, we have completed 2B. Now we have to move to 2C. Now in that activity 2C, we have to answer certain questions, and these questions are based on the advertisements which we have studied, we have understood, and the passage which we have read and understood. So let's have the first question from the textbook. The question is, what was the announcement on Radio Bhindi? So here is the answer of the question. Dear friends, this is the answer to question number 1. Save money with our bank and secure your future was the announcement on Radio Bhindi. Write 2 announcements which you heard on FM and or TV. Now from the passage you can write 2 answers, and they are save money with our bank and secure your future. This was an announcement on Radio Bhindi. And donate O positive blood immediately. Contact 03838389555. You can take any announcement which you have heard in your life, either on TV or on radio. Just like an example, you can write Do Boonde Zindagi Ki, Atulya Bharat, Incredible India. Let's have the next question. Why did Dhanush want an account to be opened with a bank? The answer is because he wanted to deposit his saved pocket money in a bank. Let's have the next question. Who will help them in getting an account opened? Dhanush's uncle Manubhai will help them in getting an account opened. Write down the answer in your textbook. Let's have the next question. Why could Manubhai not donate his blood? Do you know the reason? Why was Manubhai not able to donate his blood to that person who required O positive blood? Manubhai could not donate his blood because his blood group was B positive. Let's have the next question. When will be the South Zone competition? The South Zone competition will be on the 16th March. Let's have the next question. What is the theme of this competition? The theme of this competition is Save Environment, Save Water. Let's have the next question. Is Dhanush worried about his future? This is the answer. Yes, Dhanush is worried about his future. Let's have the next question. Dear friends, once again, you cannot have a ready answer for this question, because if you want to win 1 week animation workshop, as per the passage, you need to win the first prize. You must be the winner of the competition, and for that you have to do a lot of things, a plenty of things. You have to take care of color combination, designs, imagination, and a lot. You can take the help of your drawing teachers, and they will provide you more information about the answer. Let's have the last question. How can you get the entry form? I can get the entry form by logging on to www.youngworld.org. Students, hope you have enjoyed the session nicely. It was a nice experience for all of us. Read the entire passage at home carefully. Check your answers once again. If there are some corrections, do them. Learn them thoroughly. Keep learning English. Bye bye.